Hey Raptors, welcome to Tech Bytes, a new way for you to get a taste of tech ideas to use both personally and in the classroom. Every couple of weeks, I'll be compiling some tools, ideas, and tips into a brief video and giving you some information on how to learn more. Since it's the beginning of the semester, this week we'll focus on ideas in the categories of getting started and staying organized. First, we're going to start off with some technology tips. Whether you're starting a semester 2 class or continuing a year-long class, you're going to want to learn these two things about Schoology. First, moving content. How do you move content from the previous classes? You'll go up to the Courses menu in Schoology. On the right-hand side, choose My Courses. And then on the My Courses page, you're going to choose that Archive tab. Here, you're going to see all of the classes that you've taught in the past. Click on the blue link to enter the class. Find the content you want to move over. Go to the cogwheel on the right-hand side and choose Copy to Course. You can then send it into as many new courses as you need to. Have you gotten new students this semester? It's easy for you to add new kids to your class because the district won't roll them over for at least 24 to 48 hours. In order to do so, go to the Members tab on the left-hand side. When the list pops up, choose Add Members at the top. Search for the student by name, click on their name, and then hit Add Members. It's as easy as that. Don't forget it's semester 2, which means grade calculations in PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook. Did you set up your gradebook calculations for both semester 1 and semester 2 in August? I bet you didn't. So if you want to do that, make sure you go into your PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook, click on each class, settings on the left-hand side, traditional grade calculations, and then make sure you go into the semester 2 of each class that you have, click edit on the right-hand side to be sure that you have set up either your weighted categories or total points. This segment is called Tech Treats, where I will introduce you to some delicious ideas to use in your classroom. First up, at the beginning of a new course or the beginning of a new year, we're all thinking about setting goals and setting resolutions. Why not use this website called futureme.org? This cool website allows you to write a letter to your future self and date it for delivery sometime in the future. This is great to use personally and with students in order to think about setting goals or reflecting upon past goals. Why not give it a shot at futureme.org? We all know building relationships with students and helping them to build relationships with each other is important, so why not try these two cool resources for icebreaker and get to know you activities? First up is icebreakers.ws. This is not a technology website that you would have kids go to. Instead, it's a place for you to go find a whole bunch of different icebreakers and get to know yous listed out by category. You can read up on these, print out instructions, and use them in the classroom in order to help your kids get to know one another and for you to get to know them. Another good resource for icebreakers, team building, and get to know you activities is a website called howdoyouplay.net. Like icebreakers.ws, this website has many different activities separated by category and level. Why not try out one or two in the classroom? We all know it's important to get to know our students and help them get to know one another. In Hack Attack, I'm going to share with you a few tools that can help you stay organized and efficient as a teacher in the classroom. The first resource you may want to know about is Symbaloo.com. Symbaloo.com is a location for you to make a visual board of all your favorite links and make that your homepage. When your internet browser opens up, you'll see an entire wall of tiles full of internet links that you've saved for yourself. Another amazing thing about Symbaloo.com is that you can create what is called a web mix, another page full of tiles with links that you can share with your students. So if you're working on a big project and you want students to visit specific websites for research or information, build a web mix in Symbaloo.com and share that out with your class. You can share it through Schoology or email. Now, I'm the kind of person that when browsing the internet, I have about 25 to 30 tabs open all at one time. Of course, if I have to shut down my computer or I want to open up something else, what happens to all those tabs? I don't want to lose them. I haven't even looked at them yet. What I've done is I've installed a really cool Chrome extension called OneTab. OneTab will take all of the tabs you have open, compress them into a single page, and give you a page of links to all of those different tabs. It's an amazing and helpful tool for you to save groups of tabs or for you to remember what you've been working on, so if your computer shuts down, you don't have to lose it all. The next time you open up your internet browser, you can go to OneTab and click on Restore All. All of the tabs you had open will pop right back up and you won't have lost your place. Another way to effectively organize your tabs is a Chrome extension called Tab Cloud. You may not like to have all of your tabs on a single page. You may want to have them all grouped together. You can do this by using the Tab Cloud extension, and you can give each cloud its own personal customized name. Every week, I'm going to try to focus on some accessibility resources that you can use with your class. We know that our kids with special needs need some extra assistance in accessibility, but those strategies are good for all of our students. Here are a few for this week. Both accessibility tools this week are Chrome extensions. That means that they are built into the Chrome browser. Students who use the Chromebooks automatically get them, and students using 3189s simply need to sign into the Chrome browser on their computer. Once Chrome is opened up, these two accessibility tools automatically populate in the blue bar at the top. The first tool for accessibility is called Read and Write for Google Chrome. When you click on the purple puzzle piece in the URL bar, this will bring down a toolbar that will allow your students these accessibility tools. Clicking on the hover to speech icon will allow your students to click anywhere on the screen, and it will automatically start reading to them.
These tutorial videos will help you become familiar with PowerTeacher Pro Gradebook.
Alternatively, without the hover to text tool clicked, students can highlight any words on the page and hit the play button. The computer will read those words aloud for them. In order to get them to stop, all they have to do is hit stop or pause. A second tool is the Text Help for PDF browser extension. Oftentimes you'll go to a website and it will pull up a PDF right within the browser window. Clicking on the Text Help PDF tool allows you to do the same things you would do in Read Write for Google Chrome. A drop-down menu will pop up and students can click the hover to text button. It will start reading aloud, or they can highlight any section of the page and hit play to hear what the words have to say. Don't be fooled, you can learn a lot from Tech Bytes, but I'm going to let you know of some professional development opportunities that are coming up for you that you can take advantage of, both for credit and not for credit. The first is an incredible class called Fixer Upper Schoology Style. This class is taught in a blended format online by 2 district instructional technology coordinators. It is worth 2 credits and runs from January 15th to April 8th. If you're interested in enrolling in this class, go on to PD Pro and search for course 13022. Another class that doesn't focus specifically on technology, but talks a lot about cooperative learning, is Cooperative Learning class. It is 1 credit and it runs from February 4th to 13th every day face-to-face from 4:15 to 8 o'clock p.m. Log into PD Pro and search for course 13031. And finally, let me introduce you to Techo Tuesdays. After every Tech Bytes video, for 2 weeks, I'm going to run Techo Tuesday courses every Tuesday morning in order for you to learn more about something you've learned in the Tech Bytes video that week. Because it's all new and it's the beginning of the semester, this week and next week's Techo Tuesday courses are going to focus on Schoology and Schoology setup. If you have any Schoology questions or you want to learn more about just basically setting up your Schoology class, come to the MPC Computer Lab on Tuesday, either January 14th or January 21st at 7:30 in the morning, and we'll learn a little more about Schoology to get you started for the semester. If you're interested in coming to the Techo Tuesday class, use the form below to let me know you might be coming. You don't have to, but it's a good idea for me to determine how many people might be showing up. You can sign up for that class at bit.ly/Techo Tuesday. Also, if you have any suggestions for something you want to see on Tech Bytes, or if you're doing something amazing in the classroom with technology, fill out that form below and let me know. I'd love to make sure that you get what you need from Tech Bytes and Techo Tuesday classes, or if you're doing something amazing, we want to share it out with people in the building. And if you're interested in any sort of technology tool, whether you've seen it in Tech Bytes, Techo Tuesday, or something you've just heard of, use the link below at calendly.com/Jim Kern to sign up for an appointment with me on my calendar. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, if you're hungry for some more technology-related information, grab a Tech Byte. See you next time.